I journeyed across a massive mangrove forest to catch fish and explore new areas. I travelled by a paddleboard and a tinny to get access to some awesome fishing spots hidden amongst the mangroves. Join me as I take on this wicked mission.
It's that little creek that cuts through this little island here. Probably wouldn't be good for fishing though. This whole side of this island feels like it goes on forever. I've been doing this for solid 15 minutes and it just looks the exact same the whole way down. I'm just trying to, there should be an opening or a little pocket that I might be able to cast into. There's a few birds, there's some cormorants about over there, so it must be alright fishing conditions. Right, so I found a nice spot in here. So I'm going to cast in because it looks like a bit of a pocket. Black swans. See you again some other time. It's pretty cool, honestly. Even though they're not native to this area, native to WA, but still cool to see them out in the water. Found this channel right here. That might cut through to a good spot. Oh wow, it opens up in there. I'm going to go through here. Yeah. That wind is going against me now, which makes this a bit more difficult, but that's alright. Alrighty. Oh, okay. Oh, finally, touching land. Alright, this is the spot that I usually fish in through around here. Tends to be good for me. So I'm going to put on a fresh prawn and I'll have a cast. Baited. Okay then. We'll just do the same thing again and see how that goes. Bit deeper there. Go. There we go. Alrighty. Just a little cod. Right around the lip. Very small. There we go. Pretty nice looking though. You see that? Let him go. If you try. That was a good little catch there, that little cod. Not too bad of a grab. Obviously we want a bit bigger, but it's nice to know that there's fish around. And we'll cast into this section. Alright, I'm going to throw in. Okay, let it drift a bit. Now we'll just wait. Still recording. Oh, that's so deep. That was really too close to the mangroves. Lucky I kept it in. That's a good spot.
The next day we took out the tinny to go to that same spot where I caught that cod.
So I reckon we'll try that spot, and that's where I got that baby cod. And we could also try up there if we're feeling up to it. Yeah. Oh, yep. Oh, popped off. No, it's still on, still on. Oh. Come on. He's just pulling at it, but he's not hopping on. Baited. I think what's baiting me, a brim about that big. All have been baited again.
Got some good bites there.
Yeah.
After getting baited time and time again, I finally caught the culprit.
Did you see that? Landed a tiny brim just then. Just around the lip, which is good.
This is the guy that's been nibbling the bait all day.
Yeah. Justice has been served, that catch. Though it's
Dinner won't be served.
no, really tiny one, but it's always nice to get a catch here. Nice brim. Got good spikes up top. Let him go. Should we do an underwater release?
Yeah.